What's up, you guys? I am Mimi Mar coming back at you with a new makeup eye tutorial. I'm going to be recreating how I wax my eyebrow at home. If you guys didn't see that, then I will link that below. So basically, I am just redoing that eye look that I did on that video. It's basically, you could use it for Thanksgiving. This is like a Thanksgiving look. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to recreate this look for Thanksgiving, keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so today's just going to be a eye look, not a full makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to know what I have on my face, everything will be linked down below. Also, I am using the Lorac Pro palette in Mega 2. And starting off with that color, Burlap. Sorry that it's a little blurry, but bear with me. My camera isn't all that great. But taking a small fluffy blending brush, I am going to be putting that on my crease as a transition color. Okay, so next, taking a fluffy medium crease brush and using Melon, on top of that Burlap transition color. Alright, you guys, so going in with another blending medium fluffy brush, I am taking the shade Goji, or color, or whatever you want to call it, and I am placing that on top of the Melon and Burlap. Yes, there's a lot of colors, just bear with me, everything's gonna look peachy keen. Okay, guys, so taking a small shader brush, I am using the color Custard and putting that on my brow bone. Okay, so going in with a small pencil brush, I am taking the shade Black Ivy and going in with that shade on my outer eye, or whatever you call that section. I know it's the outer portion, so yeah. Alright, so to clean all that up, I go back in my crease with the colors I started, which are Burlap, Melon, and Goji. to intensify the outer portion of my eye, I go back in with that pencil brush and that Black Ivy color. Alright, so then going in with a flat shader brush, I am taking the color Gold Leaf. Such a beautiful color. I'm taking that color and applying that on my inner to mid lid, like you're seeing right now. Then after that, I'll be taking the Black Ivy color and integrating both Black Ivy and Gold Leaf together so it can look like a beautiful blending station, if that's even a word, which is not. I just made that up, so yeah. Alright guys, so we are almost hitting the end. So I am taking IMV Kiss Lashes in number 3 and applying that to my lashes. Alright, so for the bottom lash, bottom lid, whatever you want to call it, it's late. So I am taking the 3 colors that I use for the crease, which is Burlap, Melon, and Goji, and blending that away. Okay, so next I'm taking Wet n Wild eyeliner in the color Calling Your Bluff. Alright, so next I'm going in with Winky Lux Charm Holographic Highlighter. Oh, this color is so beautiful. Alright, so I'm using the same brush I use for my brow bone. I'm using it for my inner corner and, of course, the brow bone, like a duh. But, oh my god, look at this color. So beautiful. I live and breathe. Alright, so for mascara, I'm going with Ciate London Wonderwand Mascara. And there I go with my dumb self, putting the mascara wand into my eye. Give this video a thumbs up if that has ever happened to you, because that hurt. And and you know, sometimes it messes up your whole mascara runs, the whole look gets messed up, so yeah. So to tie all that in, I am taking Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray and setting that all over my face. And here I go with my fan, acting a fool, but looking good. Get it, darling. Alright, my little nosy bees, this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye, my little nosy bees.
creating this when you're about to go sentarte en la sala, en la casa de la familia, you know, when you wanna like look cute. Oh, yo, yo tengo una hambre. Yo tengo hambre. Me tengo que ir. People also gotta be like, this is good.